Alright guys, Paul come here with another video. I'm just going round my old cars, as I mentioned before in a video in the past. I'm literally trying to get them all kind of back to showroom condition before I buy anything new. Just want to get them all sort of custom but kind of factory good condition again, because I say all my cars kind of take a beating with all the bashing I do, so this car's not going to get bashed near as hard now. But yeah, it's a standard UDR shell which I painted green. I didn't actually know at the time, and somebody mentioned it to me. It's the same as the Potts Racing truck, so if I got a picture of that I'll put it up, but it actually does look very similar to their truck, so that's quite nice to know it's kind of a scale replica of an actual race truck. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I've never seen a green one, so yeah, I'll leave you with some footage. Yeah, I say that the UDR, it's got all the GPM arms, hardened diffs, the light kit, just pretty much all the upgrades to make the car it should have been when Traxxas made it, because with all the plastic arms and everything that came with, for the price of the truck it was pretty fragile. I know it is a scale truck, so you shouldn't be jumping it as high as like a Mojave or something, but even at that it wasn't very tough and it was a really fragile machine. But now it's rock solid. Also, I've started, you see my last video I had when I was running it naked, I've been running it 4S recently. I just think handling wise, getting the power down, I think it's actually faster on 4S, obviously not in a straight line, but if you're going around a track or turns and things, you seem to be getting a good bit of bitey traction down on the road without it overspinning and kicking out and stuff. So it's just a much nicer car to drive on 4S, so I'll be keeping doing that with it. But I'll leave you guys with some shots of it. Really happy with how this has turned out, so hopefully you like it too, and we'll get out next Friday and we'll get a wee sort of maiden run with it. Nothing too hard, but yeah, I'm looking forward to taking it out for a play. So catch you guys in the next one. Bye.